This is one of our mini CNC tube benders. This is the US50EDL-5A. This one is our top seller. We have multiple sizes for different size tubing. A lot of your benders that people are mostly used to, you're more or less just forcing it into a bend, where this one actually draws it through the bend. You get a much truer bend. First thing you would do is put in a program to actually bend the tube. You would go through a print and get your dimensioning off of the print, insert it into the program that you would actually bend your tubing from. And then once you have your program written, then you would go in to where you could actually look at your part. We do have simulation to where you can simulate the machine actually bending the part before you ever bend one. It's easier to see if you have the right part, if it's rotated the right way, or different things. If you're going to run into something, you can tell that before you actually run a part, possibly run into something and mess up tubing or break something. The next step we would do would be setting up the tooling. This is the bend die. Your clamp die holds the tube as you're bending. The pressure die follows behind it to make sure you get the right bend. We can engineer tooling to match whatever part you have. We can work around to make tooling correct to bend your part. We don't have just a generic type. We do design and build our own tooling in-house. Okay, the next step we would do, we would load a part and run it. If you're interested in a machine, you can give us a call or visit our website. We can help you with any problem that you have with tube bending.